Welcome to the Jira integration with Hyver video. In this video, you will learn how to integrate your Jira instance with Hyver and complete the various tasks associated with this integration. This integration is for Jira Cloud and on-prem. The video consists of the following sections: setup, authentication, creating an access token, mapping fields, notifications, findings in Jira. Before you start, you'll need the following: administrator access to Hyver to create the integration and the access token to be used by Jira. For Jira Data Center, you require a personal access token from Jira. This is the integration workflow. The following are the main tasks to set up the Jira integration. Authenticate with Jira. Create an access token for Jira to authenticate to Hyver. Create a webhook in Jira and input the access token and Hyver URL. This enables bidirectional support so that a Jira ticket status change automatically updates the corresponding finding status in Hyver. Map Jira fields to Hyver fields. Configure notification rules in Hyver to manage ticketing in Jira. Get started with the integration. Click Settings, Integrations, and click the Jira tab. Select Cloud or Data Center and authenticate to the relevant Jira instance. For Cloud, a new integration user should be created in Jira. This user does not need to be linked. For Data Center, you must enter a Jira personal access token and the base Jira URL. Refer to Jira's help for instructions about creating tokens. When you are authenticated to Cloud or the Data Center, a Change Authentication Settings button appears, which you can click to modify the existing settings. Create an access token for Jira to authenticate to Hyver. You must be an administrator to create the token and to configure the integration. Click Settings, Access Token, and click Create Token. The Create Token button only displays if there are no existing tokens. If an existing token is either active or expired, you must delete the token before you can create a new token. The Hyver URL is populated by default. You copy the access token and Hyver URL and paste these in Jira when you configure the webhook to authenticate to Hyver. Map Jira fields to Hyver fields. This enables corresponding changes based on the mapped fields. Map fields by priority. Map the Hyver finding severities to the corresponding Jira ticket priorities and include the Jira IDs. For example, a finding severity, such as critical, might map to a ticket priority of the highest in Jira. You must also enter the Jira ID that represents the priority. Map fields by status. You map the Jira ticket status to the finding status in Hyver. A change to a ticket status in Jira should result in a change to a finding status in Hyver, provided there is a declared mapping. Please note that the map fields by status mapping are required to support bidirectional status updates. Select the status change in Hyver that happens when you delete a ticket in Jira. Don't forget to save your changes. You configure Hyver notifications to automatically create a finding ticket in Jira based on selected events, such as finding creation in Hyver. Go to Settings, Notifications, and click New Notification. Enter a notification name, select Finding from the Entity menu. Select an event, such as finding created, to trigger the notification. Add conditions to refine the event that triggers the notification. For example, you might only want findings of critical severity to trigger the notification. The same goes for the security domains. You might select all or you might only want a few. If you don't specify any, then the default is to trigger the notification for all severities and security domains, which might result in many tickets being created in Jira. Click Next. Select Jira. The Jira option is only available when the integration is configured, and Jira is connected to Hyver. You can change the status of the ticket in Jira and view the change in Hyver. When a ticket is automatically created in Jira through a Hyver notification event, you can view the ticket in Jira as follows. You can click the ticket link in the Jira ticket to open the finding in Hyver. This shows a finding with a link to the Jira ticket on the Hyver Findings page. To ensure that the tickets appear in the Findings pane, ensure you have the Integration Ticket ID selected in the column settings. Select a finding and view the finding in the right pane. Click the Project tab and scroll down to view the Integration Ticket ID, an active link to Jira. The Comments tab shows that this finding status was changed to Fixed because the ticket status was changed to Fixed in Jira. Here's an example of a comment. The finding status has been fixed by Jira. All remediation assets have been fixed. Note that a finding's associated remediation assets are also fixed when the Jira finding status changes to Fixed. You can also view the history of the finding on the History tab. In this video, we described how to integrate Jira with Hyver and showed the various tasks associated with the integration. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please refer to the documentation.